Some of our patterns have a color change on the decreasing portion of our project, and that's what I'm going to show you here. Now, right here in my project, I've finished this last block, and I'm about to turn it over. And on this side, I'm going to go ahead and single crochet through this one, just like that. And with the next step, when I go through the entry loop, I'm going to push through, yarn over, pull through, and this is when I'm going to color change. So I'm going to grab my color here. I'm going to give myself about 6 inches or so. I can pull a little slack there. I can pull that through there. And I make sure I'm not using my tail yarn there. Use my working yarn. And I can pull this tight if that's a little confusing there. Just like that. So now I'm just going to chain 1. I'm not going to chain 2. I can show an example here. You can actually chain 2 if you wanted to be consistent with the rest of the patterning, but the downside is right here in the pattern. You can see that it leaves a little bit of a gap between the pattern. And if you're going to do a border, you can kind of go around that a little bit, but I just like doing the chain 1 because it keeps it tighter. But this part, after you've chained 1, you can yarn over and do your double crochets here, and make sure you go through both tails. So you have a white and the green here. I'm going to go back through the entry loop, yarn over, pull through. Just make sure to keep those tails down. Yarn over, pull through 2. So 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then I can pull the tails tight to kind of clean up the area a little bit. Then I can do my other 2 double crochets. Oh, slipped it through there. There's 1. And 2. And then I would continue my project, making sure to leave the tails behind. And I would give that a slip stitch right there. And that's how you do the color change on the side while you're decreasing on your project.